Hi, we are from BPIN 3053 Group 16. So this is the right place for you to learn a simple way to make digital menu for your restaurant. So what is Applova QR code? It is basically the web application that helps you to create your digital menu for free. So why you need digital menu? So the benefit of using digital menu are: firstly, new customers can easily find your menu. Secondly, make unlimited updates of your menu without having reprint and regenerate your QR code. Thirdly, go paperless and save the cost for printing. And lastly, no app download needed. There are only 3 steps for you to get your digital menu. Firstly, you need to register. Secondly, add products details. And lastly, download QR code. For the first step, you need to search Applova QR code and click the first link. Or you can just click the link provided on the description box below. Then the web application, which is Applova, will display like this. For a new user, you need to click Start Now button. For existing user, you just need to click Login button. After that, for a new user, you need to complete all the details needed. After complete, just click the green button below. Then you will see the terms and conditions by Applova. Just click agree and proceed to the next process. For this part, you need to choose any color that you like for your brand theme and upload your brand logo. However, if you don't have much time or doesn't have any idea, just skip this step and continue to the next step. For the second step, which is add product and images, all you need to do is add new product, then add product name, the price of your product, product description, and product categories. For product categories, you can manage your product based on category that you like. If you doesn't have, just skip this part. Next, to upload your product image, just click add image button. After that, just choose any image from your gallery or file that you keep your product image. Lastly, just click the submit button. You may repeat this step until you are done uploading your details of product and images. For the last step, which is to download the QR code, you need to click the digital menu above and it will display your QR code and the link for your digital menu. To download your QR code, just click the download button. And finally, you will get your QR code for your product. You also can see how your digital menu looks like by clicking the Get Started button and just click the link stated. And finally, this is how your digital menu looks like when people scan the QR code provided and the link stated. So that's all from us. Thank you for watching this video.